Day 5, 90-day Balik Alindog program. Alright, I'm just here to give you updates. Update ko kayo sa anong nangyayari. Okay, so yesterday I had some ribeye steak and eggs and cheese for my meal. So pinili ko yung potato kasi yung rice magugutom ka after mga 2 hours siguro eh. Pero yung potato medyo matagal siya magstay sa system mo na mabubusog ka talaga. I mean, kumbaga fibrous siya, marami siyang fiber. So I took potatoes, steak, eggs. So I had that. How do I feel? I feel good. I feel good. One meal a day. There's times na magugutom ka. Tsaka mag-crave ka sa asukal. Okay, so, you know, lifesaver ko, Coke Zero. Yeah, that's my lifesaver. Natatanggal yung cravings ko sa asukal. I mean, nasa-satisfy siya. Pero, you know, 0 calorie. So I did my research also and nalaman ko na 0 calorie drinks does not impact fasting. So if you're on a let's say 16/8 fasting split, yung 16 na yun, kahit na uminom ka ng Coke Zero, walang impact sa fasting mo. Right? So that's good news. For me, that's good news. Hindi pa ako nagtitimbang, hindi pa ako nag-weigh. So today, I also got another supplier of egg whites. So instead na mag-5 eggs ako, mag-2 eggs ako ng whole eggs, 2 whole eggs, and then 3 egg whites. Ayun yung gagawin ko para mabawasan din yung calories niya. So, you know, everything is good. So today, I gotta work a little bit, and then go to the gym. Hopefully hit my 10,000. Yesterday I was able to hit 10,000. I walked 3 dogs yesterday, man. So, you know, that was a task at itself. But again, I feel good. 5th day. So, you know, if you're following, or if you know somebody that wants to start but can't start, share this so that we can talk to them, or, you know, at least have some input from them. Peace.